I don't think so.
So we're gonna just
I
take it
haven't
home.
hit the ground since I started over there.
Bye, hobo.
Come on! Who doesn't make it to the train I fall?
The train's bad luck.
Yes, it is.
I'm leaving. Where are you leaving to?
Huh?
To the funny farm.
They're coming to take me way high to the funny farm where life is wonderful all the time.
Rebecca, wait for the camera.
Hi! Is that wave enough for you? Becca! Oh God, I was being like Cheyenne. I flipped off the camera.
Yeah,
Becca.
Yeah, we'll be done in a few minutes.
Didn't even hit it.
How far does the train tracks go? Just down there.
Right there.
I'm running away, that's what I'm doing. Before the people come get you and bring you to the funny farm? Yes! I don't want to go to the funny farm. Why not? Funny. Because there's people in nice white suits. And I don't like the color.